Okay, in this lesson, we're going to explain the user interface of the dimension. It's very easy and straightforward. Open dimension. And here, first page, you can go and see all of the tutorials. Here you can see create a new project here. This is environment of the dimension, but first you can click here and change the background because I like more dark theme for my eyes, so I am more comfortable with dark theme. You can do it the first, click on environment. As you can see, it's very easy changing things. Here you can insert your asset from any source, substance source, out of stock, or library, or starter asset, or your own asset. Here is a starter asset. You can insert any model with a click and drag. It's very simple. For example, and simply navigate on that. Simply click and drag. As you can see, snap to other object, and after that, here you can go. All of the tools are for editing the 3D material and other things. I explained that. Here you can simply assign your material. Very simple, by clicking and dragging. Simply you can assign the material, and after that you can change the HDRI image. Here it's in the light, you can change the HDRI. As you can see, the lighting is changing. Everything in scene or the material, when you click that, here is properties. In this panel you can change the properties. This is scene manager. Everything that you insert in a scene appear here, and you can control that. And after that you can, for example, insert an image. An interesting ability of the dimension will be happen here. You can match your 3D object to your image. Simply one click, match image, okay, and everything's go correct for you. And as you can see, the lighting adopt the lighting of the image, adopt image of the scene. Okay, you can either change the dimension as you want. What's the best dimension? Okay, you can, for example, take image from your room or any environment that you want, insert your image, and everything do automatically for you. And after that, those settings are for controlling camera, and after that you can go into the render tab and simply click on render and give you the best render that you want. You can choose the quality and it's done. Okay, this is dimension. Very easy and straightforward. Stay tuned with us. I will explain all of those settings and you can render beautiful scene.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.